go to Media Mart. So let's go. Wanna close it? Okay, open it. Let's go, go, go.
Ah, you want to spoil everything. Coco, essa não pique. Pique much.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sapphire Glow. Yeah guys, as if you watched the previous video, it's this video is just a continuation of that video. I didn't want that video to be too long. That was why I had to like cut it and then wrote at the end that I was going to continue it on the next video. So this is actually the part 2 of the other video. So right now we're going to Media Mart, like I said in the previous video. So I'm going to take you guys along and see what we're going to get from there. The vacuum cleaner, like I said. So we are heading there now. So when we get there, I'm gonna vlog and let you see which one we're gonna buy. Okay, so please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're not with Johnny, thank you for always coming back, and I'll see you when we get there. Okay. Yeah, okay guys, we just came down at the stop of Media Mart, and that's Media Mart's building right in front. If you guys can see it, that's it right there. So we're going to cross over to the other side of the road and then walk to the place. Yeah, so guys should come along. Media Mart, what we're looking for is right here. Yeah, it should be. It should be.
Ja, wobei ich erstaunt bin, hast du gesehen, was wir gestern Nachmittag hatten?
Ich bin gestern, habe ich mich erdreist, ja früher zu gehen.
Stimmt, ja.
Sicher?
Nein.
I think it is. Okay, yeah. $500. understand. I love you. I'm into you.
And then it's no guarantee. You understand?
I understand.
Or can buy a second hand, it's the same.
This one is too small.
No, the smallest. What is here?
What can that one do? Please don't let me spoil. There are more here. Is it bag? Come see this one if it's with bag. As we're finished, we are going to the payment stand to pay so that we can leave.
Bei 87, 98. Einen schönen Abend euch. Tschüss.
Yeah. Okay, I can put it in my bag.
And the paper inside
Where is
is
it?
guaranteed
Okay.
2 years.
Okay, I'll put it in my bag. Yeah, okay guys, we are through and we're about going to eat something, you know. We just want to stop by McDonald's here to eat something before we start going home. Yeah guys, thank you guys for coming along with me. You guys have come, you've seen what we bought, and I'm gonna end this vlog here right now, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna see you all on the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment at the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you, and I'm gonna see you all on the next video. For now, it's goodbye. I'm really tired, that's why I have to just stop this vlog right here. Thanks for staying tuned, and God bless you. See you all on the next one. Bye for now. Bye all. What's the Big Mac you're talking about? What's this?
Chicken.
It's kind of different.
This is different.
Okay.